Meaning of data processing.
Data processing.
Data processing.
Data processing.
Data processing. Data processing is the procedure of manipulating, organizing, and transforming raw data into a more useful format. This process can involve various stages, including data input, validation, sorting, analysis, and reporting. The ultimate goal of data processing is to extract meaningful insights from large datasets that can be used to inform business decisions, scientific research, or other applications. By applying various algorithms and techniques to raw data, data processing can reveal patterns, trends, and correlations that may otherwise be difficult to discern. Overall, data processing plays a crucial role in modern data-driven organizations.